Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get X Premium, formerly known as Twitter Blue. First, open the X application on your mobile device or head to the X website on your computer. Once you're there, locate and tap on your profile icon, usually found in the top left corner. This action will open a side menu where you'll find the Premium option. Selecting this will take you to the next step in the process. Now that you're on the Premium page, you'll see different subscription tiers, each offering unique features. Take a moment to review what each tier includes, such as longer posts or fewer ads. You'll also need to decide between a monthly or an annual billing cycle. Opting for an annual plan often provides a significant discount, typically saving you around 12% compared to paying monthly. After selecting your desired plan, the next step is to enter your payment information. X accepts various payment methods, including major credit cards. Double-check your chosen subscription tier and the total amount to ensure everything is correct. Before proceeding, you will need to agree to the terms of service. Once confirmed, your payment will be processed, and your premium features will be activated almost instantly. Congratulations! You now have X Premium and can start enjoying all its exclusive benefits. You'll notice features like the ability to edit your posts within a 30-minute window and upload videos up to 3 hours long. Your timeline will also have approximately 50% fewer ads, providing a cleaner browsing experience. Plus, your replies and search results will receive priority ranking, enhancing your visibility on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.